Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a review on Rhode lip liner peptides. I have my makeup slightly done, so this is what it looks like. And I got the color Flex because I thought it would fit my lip color the best. So I thought that I should probably get a lighter color when I swatched it. And this is what it's looking like. It's a little dark, but I still feel like it will look really good. So I also have a lip peptide tint, and this is the cinnamon roll one. And I like it, and I think it would go really good with this one because it's like a brown little shimmer in it. And this is just gonna be like a quick video, nothing too long. So this product, it cost $24, and I was not going to be spending $48 on two of these because they're just so small, and that will be the only con that I have about it, that it costs so much. But I get why it costs that much because the name to it. But I think these cost like $18, so I think this should cost $18 as well. So we are going to get into doing this. So I just did like a little close-up to my lips, and I'm not going to do the bottom because like you can't see it and then it'll look weird. So I'm just gonna, you see how it's like kind of too dark for me, so I'm thinking maybe next time, or when I have extra money to spend, that I will get a lighter shade for me. But it doesn't look like horrible. So that's what it's looking like, and I'm just gonna blend it down low a little bit. And I saw some girl on TikTok, she was like, the only people that look good with the lip shape is people with filler. And spoiler alert, I have some. So the other thing I like about this is that it has this little like blending thing, and it's like silicone. And yeah, looking like, and I'll show you the other side. But I love that about that, because like usually you have to like blend with your lips, and you don't want to touch like your lips, and then what if it got messed up? So I'm gonna just blend it out. I'm blending it down low. And I like this, how like you can like contour. Basically it's like contouring your lips and like making them look fuller. So that's what I like about this product. So now I am going to be using cinnamon roll, and let's see how this looks. I think it looks good, and it brings more life into my lips, so I like it a lot. But yeah, this video is gonna be like short and sweet. Get it, Sabrina Carpenter. But yeah, short and sweet, and just keeping it straight to the point. And I was gonna use it with like the blush, because I know Hailey Bieber, she uses the blush with her lips. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that, because I don't have a lot of the Rhode blushes. Only got two of them. I have Teddy and then Freckle, and Freckle is like really light, so I don't want to do that on my lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go get you one of these. Probably just one, because it costs a lot of money, unless you have a lot of money to spend on one of these. But yeah, I say it's good. Just one to like make your lips pop. But yeah, bye.